It's a good opportunity to offer our assistance as well. I mean, we're here. We're local in the Tampa Bay area. If somebody was affected by the hurricane and they want to extend their loan, who's performing the work? We can refer you somebody. We're trying to connect the dots all over the place. We want to be able to help these clients.
Yep.
And yes, we're seeing more extensions due to the market. But let's face it, some of it has to do with the hurricane too.
Oh yeah. Big
So,
time.
we're here to help, and we want to be able to steer them in the right direction.